We do this in 2 or 3 ways. One is that sometimes we actually write back to our signed up users, and we send them emails saying that would you want to try out this new thing that we are actually about to launch, and we send them a beta invite into it, and we get their feedback on it. The second is we do it with our own network. So all of us here have a few friends or people who are early adopters who want to try out new products and give feedback on it. So we have a list of those whom we keep sending new features or new products out to. And we also do it on the website itself, where we are running experiments in order to validate what we're trying to launch. So before launching, you'll probably not even notice, but there are experiments running which are changing the way certain elements appear on the site, which are showing a certain widget on one page and not showing it on another. And without you knowing, we are already getting feedback on whether you like it or not, because if you like it, you will probably click on it and engage with it. So we're doing it in all these 3 ways. At times we're also doing it at conferences and events where we go and announce a launch of a new product, and we talk to people about it and get their feedback and try to improve based on that. And lastly, it happens on an ongoing basis. So there's feedback that keeps flowing in from the feedback form on the website, or the feedback link on the website, where people click and write back what they feel about the product. So we try to be responsive to that. We try to respond to it within 24 hours, and many a times, I do respond to it personally, or make sure somebody senior enough in the team does it. And I think just keeping your eyes and ears open helps you evolve very, very quickly. I think the most important thing is the mindset of the entire organization being around this, and not just the founders. It is important for the developers, the marketing people, everyone to understand this mindset that the product needs to evolve based on what the users want, and not based on what we think they want, right? And you got to keep validating that and keep evolving that really, really quickly, because otherwise you lose the eye on the ball. So that's how we operate.